Episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. We're going to sail around. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here, looking for free plants. And I don't know if you can tell, but Teddy and I got up extra early this morning. We're hoping to beat who to the plants?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going. Like I said, it's a little early. It's barely light outside. That's why the camera isn't working very well. It'll get better as the sun comes up. But we're gonna get going, and we'll get back with everybody if we get something good. All right, Teddy spotted this whole bin of, I think it's called boat lily.
Yeah.
Nice purple. Pull some out and show them. It's like a nice purple ground cover.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. We'll definitely grab some of that. Save it from the trash. So this looks like a big pile of sticks, but I did spot this one cutting of plumeria here. Looks like it's maybe a yellow variety. Nice, so we'll definitely try and save that from the trash. Here's a heavily trimmed Caribbean agave. It was set out in the trash, and I could take this whole thing and try and plant it, but it looks like there's a couple little pups on here that we can just pop off. Yeah, there is. So we'll save a couple of these little pups from the trash. Well, I guess I can see why they got rid of the fridge. It just wasn't keeping the cold in. Had to get a new one. Whoa, here is a giant pile of giant red and green bromeliads. That's too many for us to take, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get one of these though, right? Holy cow, look at them all. Go pick me a good one. You see a good one down there?
This one?
Holy cow, yeah, go ahead and see if you can get that one. I'm gonna hop out here and see if I can give Teddy a hand. Okay, Teddy just spotted a huge desert rose plant.
Anakunti.
With Anakunti, yeah.
With roots.
The desert rose has roots. Teddy says the Kunti has roots. Looks like there's some plumeria cuttings in this pile too. Oh my gosh, all right, well we're gonna have to grab up desert rose, save that from the trash. Probably the Kunti too. I'm gonna jump out and help Teddy. All right, we just grabbed that that desert rose, and this glass lizard fell out of it. Oh, there he goes. He's gone. All right, here is a bushel of green coconuts. Those are pushing it. They might be too small to have water in them, but I don't know. They might be just big enough at the same time. You want to grab them, kiddo?
Yeah.
But we're definitely, if there's water in these, we want them. We'll take them home. I have a little tool. We'll take them home and cut a couple open. All right, I think I see our competition right up here. I do. So they beat us. They've already gotten the cans on this side of the street, so we'll turn around and go back and hit up some of these other cans back here before they get to them. Here's a nice 3-piece wall unit. I'm sure Teddy would love to have that for his room. There's just no way we're going to get that on the golf cart, and there's no more room in Teddy's room.
Yeah, because I put too many fridges from Plant Pirates in it.
He's got a whole, it's like a convenience store full of fridges, right?
Yes.
Here is some variegated Schefflera. This is an easy one to root from cuttings. So we will save this from the trash for sure. We'll have to clean up the mess we made here too, but we'll save this one from the trash. Here's our weekly checkup on this variegated Monstera here. We've said it a million times, so we're just waiting for that guy to put some out in his pile. And I don't think he will. If you see his yard here, it's gorgeous. He'll probably use any cuttings for his own yard. But still, we can dream. Okay, we just rolled up on several bins of giant golden pothos.
Yeah.
We'll We're going to definitely save maybe 1 or 2 pieces of this. All right, we just came across this killer little bike in the trash. Teddy thinks he can ride it. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
Oh, it might be a little too small for you, buddy.
Yeah. It might be a little big, actually.
I actually think it was meant to be a plant stand. You're going to crush that thing, kiddo.
Yeah, the wheels don't even turn.
Yeah, all right, let's get going. So here's bin after bin of yucca. That's some healthy cuttings too. Look at how big that tree was. Holy cow. You want to just get maybe like 1 piece? Yeah, we'll just get 1 piece. This is an easy one to root from cuttings. You could even stick that log in the ground and it will shoot up.
Sideways, upside
Yeah,
down,
you
whatever.
literally could. It's a really easy one to root from cuttings. Okay, here's bins and bins of Dracaena. Wow, look at
Super
it
healthy
all.
stuff.
Yeah.
And look at the lobster claw back
Oh
there.
yeah, look at that. It's beautiful in the background.
Yeah.
All right, we're definitely going to have to save some of this Dracaena from the trash. These are just beautiful cuttings here. All right, here is a bin of some nice tea plants here. Oh man, those are nice fresh cuttings too. This is another easy one to root from cuttings, so we'll definitely grab some of these up, save them from the trash. All right, hiding behind these trash cans, yep, is some more plumeria. We have no clue what color. Oh, looks like there's a yellow flower on that one. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
No, over here. Right there. Yep. Small yellow one. All right, well, we'll keep that one. Save it from the trash. All right, we made it back to the house. Annalisa hasn't seen what we got yet. Go ahead. We got all sorts of good stuff.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, we got a load of stuff today.
Wow.
And the best thing's buried.
I mean, really, Teddy and I were pretty much done within 45 minutes. We were done before 7 o'clock this morning. We
Really?
got so much
Do you see
stuff.
what this-
Man,
Do you see
no
what
one's
this
even
is?
here. Is that...
Oh
Yes.
man.
Yes. All right, so I don't know how we're going to do this. We have so
Tea
much
plants.
stuff.
Tea
Well,
plants.
first let's start with this, I guess.
yes.
Stuff on top, yeah.
We got a big bushel of green coconuts here.
Oh yeah, those are definitely nice and
I think
green.
they'll have water in them.
Sweet.
Yeah. That was an easy score right
Yeah.
there. So that's number 1. Teddy, I guess what's next?
Tea plants.
All right. Oh yeah, so the tea plants. We actually got 2 varieties from that pile.
We did?
Yep, we did. Grab that whole bunch of them. Come on, you got to get them all. There's too many to go one at a time. There might be some Dracaena mixed in there, so just get the tea plants first. Tea
Yeah.
plants first. You got Dracaena all mixed in there. Tea plants only.
There, yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
is-
yeah.
This is one kind and this is Red Sister, looks
Yep,
like,
we got
right?
some Red Sister in there, yeah. You can see it's got berries
This is
on
Auntie
it.
Lou.
Oh, it is Auntie Lou. So we got 3 different kinds
Yep,
of
for
plumeria,
sure.
or tea plants there.
You
Nice.
sure that's Auntie Lou? It's dark.
It is
Yes.
dark. It
Looks
might
like
be.
something different. It could be.
That's Auntie.
Yeah. All right.
Where's it? Dracaena now.
Those are some nice tea plant cuttings there.
Holy
and
cow.
some even nicer
All right.
Dracaena.
Yep. Oh yeah, these Dracaena cuttings were real nice. Yeah. Look at these.
And then this is our best cutting.
Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. Yeah. And these will root from cuttings. Same with the tea plants. You can just stick them right in the ground. All right. What else we got?
Let's
This
get
looks
the
like easy to
plumeria.
grab.
Okay. Yeah. Let's keep the plumerias separate though. This was the last one we got. This
No,
one
the
has.
first one. You're the last.
Yeah, this is
yellow
the last
flower.
one. It has that little yellow flower on it. So let's keep them separate because we got 3 different plumerias.
That's yellow. We think this, we saw in the yard, we think it's an all fuchsia.
Yes, we think
Okay.
this one's all fuchsia, but we're not sure.
But let's put it right
We got
here.
2 cuttings of it though. I'll stick them over here. Just keep them separate. And I think there's another plumeria way down in there somewhere.
Okay, now let's get this.
Hold on. First,
Oh, wait.
let's get the rest of these Dracenas out.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, there we go. You gotta stay. Oh, that's a nice one too, right there.
Super nice.
Ooh, man.
That can
That's
go
probably
right
our
over
nicest
there.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's
Okay.
get the...
Should we get these root balls out?
Yeah, here. Well, let me hand you the camera, and I'll get these big plants out. So we got this cycad here. All right. I don't know what happened there, but we got these 2 big, beautiful plants off of the back of the golf cart. The first is this cycad here. Some kind of like smaller sago palm, and it's got roots. And then we got this beautiful desert rose. And this one has white flowers. We don't have one with white flowers. We have one with like pink flowers and one with darker purplish flowers,
We
right?
have one, like a pink and white one and a fuchsia,
Yeah.
solid fuchsia.
And this one can be rooted from cuttings too, so we could get several plants off this. But I'm stoked. That might be the find of the day there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because these grow real slow.
They do, yeah.
So, but that's really cool too. We don't have one of those.
No, we don't.
I think that's exciting.
Yeah. All right, what else we got?
All right.
We got, let's get Schefflera.
This is, I think I pulled this out already too.
Yeah,
Another
the
plumeria.
third kind of plumeria.
Yellow.
All right, we got our variegated Schefflera here. It wouldn't be Plant Pirates if we didn't get some Schefflera. Show them the leaves, the other side. There we go.
Sorry.
Yeah, and this is a super easy one to plant from cuttings. All right, what we got?
And here's another piece of plumeria.
Okay, that goes with this one right here. Yep. Keep
And
them
then-
separate. Yes, and then we got some little Caribbean agave pups. You
Nice.
guys remember in the video there was a giant Caribbean agave that was kind of hacked to pieces, but we got these little pups off of it. I think there's a third one up here.
Yeah.
Yep, right there. Yeah.
This one's probably the best.
Yeah.
He's
All right,
growing
great.
like a big ball.
All right. What else is up there?
This.
Pull it out.
Okay. Let me
Don't spike yourself.
get it from
Yeah, we got a giant orange bromeliad, and it already has a pup on it. It's kind of why we grab these bromeliads. Sometimes they
Good-looking
look
one,
terrible, but there's a nice pup right there.
Yeah.
Right down there.
These are so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, next
They look great at the base of cabbage palms.
Yeah, they do.
is a yucca here.
They grow everywhere.
Yep. Yeah, there was a massive pile of yucca. We just took a piece just to bring awareness to the fact that you can root this from cuttings.
We have a stump of it that we never even planted.
Yeah,
That's
we,
growing.
we talked about that in the earlier in the video. There was several stumps in the pile that you literally could just throw on the ground and they'll shoot up growth.
Pothos?
Yep, giant golden pothos.
Let's not pull this stuff out.
Not
It's a
the
mess.
prettiest vine. What is?
We've got some
Boat lily.
boat lily, purple.
Oh
boat
yes, we
lily.
got the purple boat lily.
We
Oh
got-
yeah, we got a lot of it. And you guys can see it's flowering. Got these pretty little flowers on it. That's a
And-
great ground cover.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Oh man, we made a mess out of the golf cart here, the pirate ship. All right, well we did great today. Holy
I
cow!
think I'm the most excited about these two.
Which two? Yes,
Same with
the
me.
cycad and the desert rose there.
White.
I think I'm the most excited about the desert rose.
Yeah, it's a white with yellow
I
center.
don't know.
I don't either because we don't have that one. I
Yeah.
guess we don't have either of them, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's
I
the
like
plan of the
this.
day for me. Now the plumeria, the ones that we don't know what the color is, that's just going to be a mystery until they
What if
flower
they're orange?
for us. It might be a couple years before they flower for us. So probably what we'll do is put them in pots with a label that just says mystery plumeria. I mean, we know this one. We know for a fact this one has a little orange flower on it.
Yeah.
So,
So we've got two yellows.
yeah.
This one had a yellow
Mystery.
flower.
Yeah. Did it?
Yes.
And then we
Oh,
think,
And
no,
you think these
On
are
here.
fuchsia?
you think those are fuchsia? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Sweet.
think.
All right.
Man, you guys did good today.
Yeah, we did. We got
Good
a nice
job.
haul here. All right, awesome. Well, if anybody has any questions or comments about the plants we showed you here, just post down below. If you enjoyed our adventure today, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. If they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
Your house is gonna get eaten by a sinkhole.
Oh, your house is going to get eaten by a sinkhole, which is serious business here in Florida. So maybe just consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.